Let's see some more questions on fractions. So first question is find 0.4 divided by 2. So how to divide it? 0.4 divided by 2. What we can do? We can write it like 4 divided by 10 into 2. Why? Because suppose we have 0.3. So it can be written as 3 by 10. Suppose 0.25. So it can be written as 25 divided by 100. Number of digits after decimal. We can count and then we put the same number of zeros in denominator or in opposite side. Correct? Here there are two digits. That is why two zeros are there. So here 0.4 is 4 by 10 and this 2 is 2. Now we can cancel it. So we get 2 and then we again put decimal. So it will be 0.2. Let's take another example. 0.35 divided by 5. So we write it 0.35 divided by 5, which is further equal to, there are two digits after decimal. So we can write it 35 by 100. And then 5 is already there in denominator 5. Now in the table of 5, 35 comes in 7 times. So 5 sevens are 35. So we have got 7 by 100. Now we put decimal. So there are two digits. So 7, then 0, then these are two digits after decimal. Other questions you have to do. Consider next question. Question 2. 4.8 divided by 2. So what is rule? Suppose you are given 3 divided by 10. It means you have to shift decimal. Generally, in such numbers, decimal lies here. So decimal will shift one place back. So it will become 0.3. Take another example. Suppose we have 3 by 100. So here we have to shift decimal two places back. So it will become 3, 0, then 0. So 1, 2 places. So suppose you are given 53 by 100 or 1000. So there are three digits. Sorry, there are three zeros in denominator. So decimal must shift three places back. 1, 2, 3, and then decimal. It means it will become 0.053. So here all questions are to be divided by 10. It means decimal will shift one place back. So you can solve these questions. Let's see next question. Find 2.7 divided by 100. Suppose 2.7 divided by 100. So you have to shift the decimal two places back. So decimal is here. So one place, then one more place, and then decimal. So it will become 720. Take another example. Suppose 4.5 divided by 100. So decimal is to be shifted two places back. So this will be counted as one place, then one more place. So it will become 0.045. Similarly, suppose 85.8 divided by 100. Here again, decimal is to be shifted two places back. So here, this is one place, then second place. So decimal will come over here. So it will become 0.858. So now other questions you can do. Let's take next example. Suppose 7.9 divided by 1000. Now you have to shift decimal three places back. So this is one digit, then second, then third, and then decimal. So it will become the first place, second place, third place, then decimal. So 0.0079. Take another example. Suppose 0.3 divided by 1000. So three places decimals you have to shift. So here decimal is there. So you have to count three places, one place, two place, third place, and then decimal. It means it will become one place, second place, third place, then decimal. So take one more example. Suppose you are given 28.32 divided by 1000. So you have to shift decimal 3 places back. So this is first, second, and then third. For third, you have to put 0 and then decimal. So it will become 0.02832. So these questions you can easily do. Now consider next question. 7 divided by 3.5. 3.5. What we can do? Here there is one digit after decimal. So we can write here 10 and we can remove this decimal. Now 7 5s 35, then 5 2s are 10. So answer will be 2. Take another example. Suppose 44 divided by 0.2. So what do? We first remove this decimal. So 44 and then we write here 10 and divide by 2. Now 22 times. So answer is 220. Take one more example. Suppose 76.5 divided by 0.15. So here there is one digit after decimal. So what we can do? We can remove this decimal and we can multiply by 10 here. Here there are two digits after decimal. So we can remove this decimal and we can multiply by 100 here. So we can write it 765, and for this decimal we multiply by 10. Here also we write 15, and for these two decimals we write 2 zeros here. Now we can divide. If we read the table of 15, 5 is 75, and then 1 5 will be left. So 5 and 1. So and then 0 0 will cancel out. So we will be left with 510, which is our answer. And other questions you can solve like this. Thank you.